No, over here. You're not supposed to show that part. That was for tomorrow. In the building today. AJ gets so excited. But I ain't going to give him credit. What we're doing over there, we'll show you in a second, is actually something that me and him came up with while we were literally over here, and I was showing him how excited I was about the windows and the doors and all that. But you can see, well, we'll get back to that. So we're in our little, we're in our little area here that is going to be our prep facility and pre-delivery facility, and also probably be kind of like for equipment. We have determined we're actually going to do corrugated metal. Got to put up new insulation, corrugated metal here, and we're going to close this off. He never used this. It was actually, if you guys have been following for a little while, when I bought this place, and it just recently got out of here, he actually had a boat in here that he bought in 90? I think it was 90. That he bought in 1990 and used it like once or twice and put it in this building, and that's where it stayed. So the garage door that nobody even knew because you couldn't hardly see it because there was a bunch of bushes grown in front of it was where the boat was stored. And he actually had it hooked up with water so he could wash the boat, flush the boat, put the boat away. Steve was a very meticulous guy. So the boat was in here covered up. It still was mint condition. Matter of fact, one of our local friends wanted to buy it awful bad because you just didn't see those very often. It was crazy nice. He also had a dirt bike that he bought in the 70s brand new. That was sitting in here too. So this area was never seen, used. I've been coming into this building for, I don't know, 30 plus years, and I never even knew this area was here. When that door's closed, you don't even know. So we're gonna get up top here. This is where we're gonna run a bunch of our communication cable. We're really lucky that it's an open roof there. I've also got to get some insulation done. We'll paint this area, do the floors in this area. I'm gonna save this carpet right here. I don't know who's gonna get this, but somebody's gonna probably want this for their bedroom. So we'll get this carpet up, roll it up. So if you guys are interested, come by. Kenny or Christian, I'm not sure which one of them wanted it the most, so I think we're gonna put it on hold for somebody. Then we got to come back in here. We got some cleaning to do. Did a little construction in here, tearing down some stuff, looking at the walls, looking at the AC, the ductwork, trying to figure some stuff out. But let's go to the front. That's where it's actually pretty cool. So even though we did just have this whole thing painted in here, decided that that brick wall was just too cool to cover up. So we were in here looking at the brick wall for the bathroom. My Uncle David actually just put a hole over there to get the door open, and noticed that there was bricks behind there also in a nice area. So everybody can picture their hometown school with a brick background with a clear glass shelf with all their trophies in it. Well, we're bringing that to our office. Cut the wall open. That's going to be glass. It's going to be shelved off. We'll be able to put plaques on the wall, be able to put trophies in there, memorabilia. This whole section is going to be cut open, and then that little section will be cut open. That'll be the office door going through to my office. It's going to basically look just like this area here. We'll have some lights dipped down. All these studs were just basically frame outs to hold the paneling. So it'll be framed off here. We'll have some direct lights coming down. They'll be able to be lit up. Pretty cool. I can picture it. Like I said, as soon as me and AJ looked at it and talked about it, I was like, yeah, this has got to happen. So that's going to be pretty cool. Nobody's seen that yet. David just jumped on it and started tearing it apart, and it's going to be different, to say the least. I haven't ever walked in an office and seen anything like that. It's going to basically, like I said, look like a high school awards display case or whatever. And you can see right there what's hidden behind the plywood paneling. Pretty cool old construction. And that brick you're looking at is 100 years old, basically. Some of it's crumbled, some of it they had to chisel around. This light switch here, if you guys are real faithful followers, you saw that was in the door. So he took that out. We got to find a new spot for that, but that is the light switch for the office. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Thanks, guys. We'll keep on working on it, and I think we got a pretty good idea. What do you think?
Looks like
It's different.
yeah,
It's a good use of space. It's gonna look pretty cool. So,
yeah, it is.
all right, we'll keep on trimming this back. And,
It's a good idea.
yeah. They kept you warm today anyway, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.